Hari Om. Welcome to the Tattva Yoga. Today is a day 8 which is dedicated to Ma Mahagauri. She is a purity and forgiveness. Goddess Mahagauri, known for her beautiful, pure form. She represents purity, peace, and the ability to forgive and the cleansing. Today, Sankalpa is all about finding inner purity, forgiveness, and light. Key posture for today is the Ustrasana, the camel pose. This deep back bending required trust and surrender, embodying the purity and the surrender associated with the goddess. Today's sequence is first we're doing the warm up with a gentle back bending like bridge pose, Setu Bandha Asana, and a few rounds of cat and cow pose. Then the asanas, first we're doing a fist pose, Matsya Asana, to open the throat and the heart, supported back bending, and the pigeon pose, Ek Pada Raja Kapotasana. Then we're doing the cool down with child pose, and last we're doing the meditation and chanting 11 times Om Devi Mahagauriyai Namaha. So before starting, lay down on your back. First, this is bending your legs, feet nearby the hips, and there is a gap between your knees. Now hand should be supporting resting side of your feet, or you can hold your ankle also. Now we will doing some bridge poses. 5 times we're doing for the warm up, and then we're doing the cat and cow pose. So inhale, lifting your hip up, and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Now slowly turning on your one side. Now we're doing the cat and cow pose. So head, stretch your hands towards the ground. Hand and shoulder should be on one line, and hip should be on a one line. Now we will doing the cat and cow pose. So because we're doing since 7 days, so as you know, inhale, head up, make an arch on your back, and exhale, make an hunch on your back. Go with your breath. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here you have to hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take a deep inhale first. As you exhale, make a hunch on your back and hold for 5 seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale and exhale back to the center and relax. Release the posture. This is the we're doing the warm up. Now, because our key posture today is the Ustrasana. So before doing, we're doing some counter pose also, the Matsya Asana, the fish pose, and then we're doing the pigeon pose as well. So before starting, first we're doing the first we're doing the Matsya Asana. So lay down on your back. Feet should be straight. Active your toes. Now take your both hands and underneath your back. Try to touch your elbows and lay down on your hands now. Now slowly inhale, first head up, then chest up. Now slowly exhale, drop your head down. And here hold for 10 seconds. Mouth should be closed. And take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Now take a deep inhale, head up and exhale, release the head, turning on your one side. Seated in the Vajrasana. From here, Vajrasana, now we're doing the pigeon pose. So what we have to do, first we have to go for the mountain pose. So sorry, inhale, drop your hands down, tucking your toes, lifting your knees up and the hip up. This is the mountain pose. Now slowly inhale, lifting your right leg, stretch forward, drop your right knee near the right hand palm and the feet near the left hand and stretch your left leg. Now slowly inhale, hold for 5 seconds here and stretch your pulling towards the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly inhale, tucking your left toe. Inhale, lift your left right leg back. Now with the left leg, inhale, drop your left leg and here hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly inhale. Now slowly drop your knees down. Sit it in the Vajrasana. So sit in the center because we're doing the posture every day. So now it should be a habit. So we can do continue a little bit. So now we're doing the Ustrasana, the key pose today. So what you have to do, there should be a gap between the knees and the feet. Feet down. If not, so you can go. Now just slowly hand side of your waist, your lumbar area. Take a deep inhale. Slowly pushing your hip forward. As you exhale, hold your ankle or your heel and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release the hand and sit it in the Balasana for the cool down process. And relax for few breaths. Now slowly inhale when you're ready and head up and chest up. Now seated in any cross-legged position for the meditation. Now your back should be straight, hand should be on a Gyan Mudra, back should be straight, eyes should be closed. Now take a 2 to 3 deep breath, inhale, exhale. And when you are ready, just chant 11 times the mantra. Om Devi Mahagauri Namaha. 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 Slowly bring the palms together, rubbing the palms and let the heat on the palms. Slowly touching to your eyes, your face and your whole body. Gently open your eyes. So this is the end of the today's sessions. I hope you like it, and we will see you tomorrow, the last session of day 9. And Hari Om Tat Sat.